Hey Ta, this is your boy Lionel Piri and you are watching Premier Cup TV, coming to you almost live from the Metropolitan Premier Cup. And as you can see behind me, you know, the stands are full of people, fans cheering the players, and the atmosphere is very great. Although it's a bit windy, but that is no excuse for supporters to come to the stadium and watch soccer here at Erica Park. So right now I've got the updates of the game that took place at 1:45, and at Field A we had a game between Swansea City versus Betswood, and I'm really impressed with what Swansea City has showcased here at Erica Park. These guys are really here for business. People from Wales, I'd like to give you a big shout out because these guys showed a bit of discipline and hard working, and a big thumbs up to them. And at Ground B we had PPG Langa, the underdogs, playing against the reigning champions, that is Ajax Cape Town. I'm really disappointed with Ajax Cape Town because they didn't show their real character, and it seems like PPG Langa, these are not really underdogs. I'll give them a thumbs up for holding the champions, the reigning champions. And at Ground C we had Berea Albion versus Vasco da Gama. It was 0-0. And at Ground D we had the host Bay Hill United versus the JL Zwane. But I'm really disappointed with Bay Hill United because I was really expecting a lot to them, but unfortunately they happened to lose 3-0 to JL Zwane. And that was quite an interesting encounter, but that's what we call football, because anything can happen. And for more information, get us on our YouTube channel, that is Premier Cup TV, as well as Facebook. We are Premier Cup, and we also there on our website. We got all the information that you need, and that is www.premiercupbayhill.co.za. I, Lionel Piri, will come back with more updates. But before I leave, let me just give you a fixture that will follow up. That will be at 3 o'clock. We've got Fourfield as well. That will be hosting 4 matches. And at Ground A, we've got Amazulu versus Riverside United. And at Ground B, we've got the guys who came from all the way Zambia, Zesco United, playing against Hellenic. And we've got at Ground C, we've got Blue Down Spurs versus the guys who came all the way from Pretoria, that is University of Pretoria. And at Ground D, we've got the guys of Greenwood Athletics versus Celtic United. And this is the action that you really don't want to miss, because we've got the guys who came all the way from Zambia. They will really like to showcase their talent here, but we'll have to see what they're gonna offer us. And if you know that you live nearby Cape Town, you ought to come here at Erica Park, because that's where you're gonna get the real definition of football. As for now, Lionel Piri, I'll be signing out, and we'll be back with more update on the game that will take place. Sharp.